changing up their mind. Seems to me they're running out of time. Going through my pain, out of sight. Step outside, high to open up your mind.
Hello everybody, and thank you for tuning in to another episode. So on this one, we're going to be getting this Ventura painted. So this is the 71 Ventura. This is not Bill's Nova. I know a couple of you guys have asked. This is a different project. We are waiting on some parts for Bill's Nova, but we are getting this one all finished up now. So what we're doing is we got all the inners and jams and undersides painted in the last episode, and now we're getting all the doors put on the car, the fenders put on the car, everything lined up, and then I can get it in the booth and start masking it up and getting it ready, and I'm gonna get it sprayed in this one. So don't really have much to say. We're just kind of gonna let it run and show you what we're working with.
Don't know where I'm going, but this road I'm on is taking me places I've never been. I don't do well on my own, but when you're here I swear I'm home. The love you give's more than I could ever pay. Well, I just moved out west, God, I'm scared to death of the things that people are aiming me to be. How do I make sense of all this shit I'm in? It's like everyone wants to help but no one can see. When I close my eyes and think about my dreams, it's a million eyes and one set of strings. And I'm convinced you're the only one that knows me. With you I'm already the man I wanna be. They don't understand just how much your heart means. It saved my life, it helped me forget the pain. And don't you worry, the love we have won't leave. You ain't in my head, you're in the way I breathe. One thing I miss most about the place I was grown is no one saw me as more than just a kid. When this machine tries to buy me out, I'll scream out to the crowds. I'm a busted ass boy that was built on honesty. Mama always said to me, well, son, you're something to see. Where would I be without you believing in me? I got some boys that would die for me, and a girl that would never leave. What else could a man ever need? When I close my eyes and I think about my dreams, it's a million eyes eyes and one set of strings. And I'm convinced that you're the only one that knows me. With you I'm already the man I wanna be. They don't understand just how much your heart means. It saved my life, it helped me forget the pain. Don't you worry, the love we have won't leave. You ain't in my head, you're in the way I breathe.
Excited to spray this?
Yep. About an hour. So this is wax and grease remover. So you spray it, let it sit for a few seconds, and then when you wipe it, you want to go in like the same direction because you're essentially lifting any stains off of it, which at this point there's nothing on it. I've cleaned this so many damn times. But it's a good habit to get into. So I still got one more round to clean with my spray away, which is the water-based cleaner. This is wax and grease remover, so this is going to take care of like fingerprints and those kind of stains, solvent and oil-based stains. And then the spray away is good for water-based stains. And it's also very
I have hiccups, sorry. I hope you can't hear them. You probably can.
so yeah, long story short, we're painting.
Finally.
Yep.
4 in the morning, red eyes are swarming. Hear the gator tails and crank in the night. Oh, how that moonlight on that black water shines and leads us through a sportsman's paradise. And we would chase him down in the basin, much more than just a few birds up in the sky. My father showed me what is that showed him, a place where memories never seem to die. Back in the kitchen, I learned to listen when Mama showed me how to play with fire. Cast irons fixing what we caught fishing in waters that have shared much of my life. My mama showed me way more than recipes. She learned from hers and many of my kin. She sang of tall tales through her sweet melodies that preach the love of life buried deep within.
it's keeping, with enough heat to stir and start a flame. We spend the season chasing and drinking all the spirits here that keep us all awake. Born down the bayou, raised in the basin, my mama and my papa showed me the ways of cornbread bacon. Don't burn the bacon, but keep the grease on tonight for cooking late. The end of twilight brings on the moonlight. Hear the owl cry into the night. And after eating, we keep on drinking and tell our tales of lies and alibis. We share our recipes, we share our memories and lessons we all have learned along the way. We build our legacies through friends and family, who all will carry on but never leave this place.